Hi guys, this is Rajesh. In this video, I will show you how to install WordPress manually on your subdomain. Okay, okay guys, first of all log in into your cPanel. After that click on File Manager. This is my subdomain. Now I will install the WordPress on the. Okay, first of all you go to wordpress.org/download. Here you can download the WordPress manually by clicking on here. I will provide that downloading link on description. Okay, go to public.html, choose your folder where is your domain name. In this case my folder is store. Okay, you can find from here also. Click on subdomains. Okay, scroll down, store.photojunction.press, click on it. It will directly go to your domain folder. Okay, this is my domain folder. Okay, now I will install the WordPress manually from here. Okay, click on upload, drag and drop your WordPress downloading file. Okay, by like this. Okay, within few seconds it will upload into your cPanel. Okay guys, after installing the WordPress, I will show you how to create an e-commerce website with WordPress. Okay, WordPress is the best and biggest. WordPress is the best way to create websites. It is e-commerce website or a business website, single landing website, anything. WordPress is the best way to create your website, and lot of developers are working on WordPress. Okay, there is a best business with WordPress. Okay, okay, after showing uploading 100% with green color. Okay, reload here. Okay, click on extract. Okay, after extract, delete. Okay, again click on reload. Okay, click on refresh. it's it will install on other folder, but it's no need for us. We want to install on direct here. Okay, click on WordPress folder, click on select. By clicking on your mouse right click on move. Okay, remove WordPress /store. Okay, after that click on move files. Okay, all files will be moved to. Okay, store. Okay, refresh. Okay, okay, in this case I'm choosing English language. Okay, click on continue. Okay, okay, let's go. Okay, first of all you need to create the database. Okay, MySQL database. Choose. Now I set my database name store. Okay, here it asks database name, username, password and host. Okay, it is not a big matter. You can go back. After that you need to create the user for it. Okay, in this case I'm using my old. Okay, now I'll create the new user. After that create a password. After that, enter confirm password. Okay. After that, click on create a user. Okay, click on go back. Okay, enough. You need to create the database again. Add user to database. Click on Rogil. Username is Rogil and database name is store. Click on add. Click on all. Okay, make changes. Okay. Click on copy the database name. Enter your database name here. Control.v and username. Copy. Paste. Password. This is my database host, localhost. Leave it. Click on submit. Okay, it will take okay. Run and the installation. Site name. Store. Username. Rajesh. Password. Pass. I'll change the username. Admin. Pass. Confirm of the week. You can choose the strong password from here. Enter your email ID. Okay, check it properly once. Your username and password. After that, install WordPress. Okay, WordPress has been successfully installed. Click on login. Enter your login details. Admin. Pass. Click on login. Okay, successfully you are logging into our admin dashboard. Okay, in our next video, I will show you how to create the e-commerce website. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you get more information, click on subscribe, and if you have interest on our hosting services, take hosting. We will provide the website link, and if you have more doubts, if you have wanted to join our community website, you can join in the website community.wowfivehost.in. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.